Hello, you're watching Age of Mobiles, and today I will be refurbishing Nokia 7373 color bronze. The process will be similar for the model 7370 that vary only by the cameras. This one has 2 megapixel and 7370 has 1,3 megapixel, but refurbishing it is same. So we can start with the process of disassembling our donor phone. So 2 screws. So to unsnap it, we can take just an ordinary plastic card. So here it is. So now it is unconnected. This antenna is also clipped, so we should take it out. See from side to side in order not to damage it. So this part will need. So here are 2 more screws. They are of the black color. So 1 more. I hope my neighbors won't annoy me. So we can take the main board out. Also need it. Okay. So taking away this as well. So now we should open the upper part, and forgot to show you that we should also take the UART board away. This we need, and the UI board. So now we should open the upper part. It's also snapped, so we'll use a plastic card. Or I think in order that I'll throw it away, I will just take the flat but should be careful in order not to damage the LCD. As in this case, we'll have to make one more video. Actually, it's not easy, and that is why you should be very, very careful. And if you want to change, for example, a screen on the good phone, so you should be also very careful, as it is snapped very well and it's not easy to take it away. So of course you can't deal in this way if you have the good housing, not the old one. So I remember, so you should start with this, with the round part. As you see, these are these snaps. So if you start with this round part, it will be much easier. But I didn't remember that, but you see, in the process of disassembling, we could find how it's going on. So it's almost so here it is. Here is the screen. So now we should carefully take it away. See, it's fixed on the side. And we should take it with its metal frame. So and yes, we have it. So we've disassembled the phone, so we have all the parts we need for the new housing. So what we need now is to take away all the shit that is inside. As you see, it's speaker, so of course it's a little bit dirty. So yes, we have it. And yes, we have another part. So we put it inside. Also snap it. Connect the flex board. Come on, friend. One side doesn't want to clip. Come on. Oh, I see, that was my fault. There's a damaged little C. So perhaps now we'll put it from this side. It will be easier. So yeah. So I'm always glad to help you as you can avoid my mistakes. So now we should clean the LCD. So it is clean. Oh, just one more in the one corner. So yes, it is. And now we'll place so should also be sure that these parts is also clean inside. Oh yeah, it's on the other side. So now we close it. The only thing I can't understand if there are some rubbish inside. Yeah, that was. Are you a perfectionist too? As for me, I can't deal if it's not clean enough. Yeah. Oh, my neighbors. I can't understand how long can people do repairs in their apartments. It seems that some neighbors do it almost every year and day by day. And today it doesn't matter that someone is filming his blog here or someone else is knocking. So of course living in a private house seems to be much better and easier. So seems that it's done. Now So yes, it is. We start closing. So we can put this part aside. Now what we need is also to clean the UI board a little. So nice. So now we put the keypad. Then we put the UI board. Then we close it. And now we should take the flex. So yes, we have it. So time for little black screws. So it is ready. Now we should put here the main board. Now the antenna. And that was my mistake. As you see, that first the main board should be installed and only then the screws. Oh my god, oh my god. Well, that if someone wonders, I have never repaired mobile phones. That was always just my hobby, so all these things I do on my own. That's why I can do mistakes. But it's nice that you see what kind of mistakes you can face by assembling and disassembling the old phone. So in order to make your own life easier, but for me it will be also easier when I will be refurbishing the other colors I have. And I have all of them, and this one is the first. Bronze is the first one. So see, how it's going, how it's placed. Yes, yes, it is. So now we back cover, put the back cover. Also from the round part, you see, it has snaps there, over there. Yes, it is. Big screws. So, what's going on? Can't understand what's the sound. I don't like the sound. What the problem actually? Maybe the problem is with my screwdriver. Or not. So shit happens, of course, my friend, so don't worry. What about this one? Alright, here's going. So I think, yeah, the problem was with that screw. Can't understand actually what the problem. Who's watching this video, who knows what the problem, please write me in comments what the problem you see here. Seems it's alright. What's up, man? So, yes, I win. Or not completely. So, of course, it's good to have new screws. Perhaps I'll also search for new ones. But now, yeah, finally I cope with the problem. Now we'll test it. Oh, well, I don't remember. Oh, yeah. So, yes, that is the result. And now we have the perfect Nokia 7373 of the bronze color. Yeah, see the difference? I hope it's obvious. And here is box, so I can even place it. So, and that is, we have been refurbishing Nokia 7373. You were watching Age of Mobiles, and you can buy the genuine housing sets and parts for these and other models at my shop. So, have a nice day.